Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to host a Laravel website with Microsoft Azure. To do this, you have to create a Microsoft Azure account and also you have to install filezilla software to your PC. Okay, let's start. As the first step, you have to create Microsoft Azure account. I am supposed go to the official website Microsoft Azure and follow the instruction they are given. It is very easy to create an account, and also you have thousands of resources to learn about Azure on the internet. Just type in the Google Azure and you can learn so many things about the Azure. I do not talking about Azure and how to create an Azure account. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about how to upload, how to host a Laravel website on the Azure. We know this cloud service is a product of Microsoft. Microsoft products are very user friendly, therefore you can easily work with Azure dashboard. You have to just follow my instruction. You know Laravel is very powerful and very famous PHP framework in the nowadays. This is my project developed using Laravel. This is in my computer in my local host. You can see it in here also. It is in my local host. You can see here. This is my Laravel website. I want to host this with Azure. To do this, you have to come to this dashboard. It means you have to create successful Azure account before to do this process. If you are a student, you can create an Azure account using Dreamspark. I forgot it to tell you. If you are in this dashboard, the next thing is work with this Azure very user-friendly dashboard. Okay, as the first step, I'm going to create a resource by clicking this plus sign. When I click the plus sign, you can see these menus pop up. You have to click this web app and you have to choose any name. This will be your website name, therefore you can choose any application name as a default. I mean, if you not use any domain, this will be the web address. You have to just type any name and you have to click this checkbox and create this. After few seconds, your web application pinned to the dashboard. You can see here my web application pinned. Now I'm going to enter to my application. You can see here basic information about my web application in here, and you can see lots of settings and option in this panel. This is your URL to your website, and this is your FTP username and host name is this. If you click this URL, you can see your website is loading. Website is running, but you do not include any file or any project to this project, therefore this is empty project now. Now as the second step, I'm going to upload my project file. It's mean my Laravel project, this Laravel project, to the Azure web application. My next step is install filezilla to your PC. To do this, you can go to their official website by typing filezilla download in the Google. After that, you can easily download the software. If you are Windows, if you are Mac, you have several download option also. After you download this, you have to open it. This is the filezilla software. As the next step, you have to connect my Azure web application and filezilla. To do this, you have to just copy host name and open site manager and click here. After, you can create new website. I say it's my template, and you have to paste your host name in here, and default port name I selecting 21, and login type I say normal, and user and password. You can see here your FTP deployment username. You have to just click to copy and paste it here, and your Azure password. Don't forget, this is your Azure password, and just click connect. You can see here status. Okay, this is your certificate, and after that, in this menu, you can see your folder structure of your created application. You have to go site, follow me, and www. This is the place where you have to upload your project files. The next important thing is your project size. If your project size is somewhat big one, mean somewhat heavy one, you have to wait for a long time to upload your project to the Azure. Therefore, I have very small trick to do this very quickly. To do this one, I have to compress my all project files as a zip file. Therefore, I'm going to my project location. It means my place where my project is located in my local PC, and try to compress it into one file as a zip file. Okay, this is my project files. I'm going to compress it as I'm using WinRAR to zip all these files. I'm going to my folder. MTDF. This is my folder. I'm selecting all these files and compress it as a one file now. Okay, you can see here MTDF. This is my zip file. I'm going to upload this zip file to my www root, this location. Okay, you can see here this is my local computer files. I am finding that MTDF zip file. It's my project zip file, and I'm going to upload it into the Azure. Okay, I can see, yes, MTDF. This is my file. I'm just right click and say upload. It will take little bit time to upload, but if you try to upload all these project file as a one by one, it's take long time, but this method is very faster than that. Yes, we can see here my zip file successfully uploaded into my Azure project. The next challenge is how to unzip this. We can see no option here also to unzip it. To do this challenge, I am introducing you to very small PHP file. I am set that file by typing unzipper PHP. We can see GitHub project. This is the project to do this challenge. This is the instruction. I follow this instruction. You have to just follow me. Download this project as a zip in here. This is my downloaded file, unzip master, unzip it, and in here you can see unzipper php file. You have to upload this unzipper php file also to here where you upload your project, unzipper.php. I'm going to upload it also. It's in my desktop now. I'm going to just upload it. It's very small file. Right, transferring, finished. You can see here unzipper.php is also in here. Now what you have to do, you have to go to again your Azure dashboard and go to your website by clicking your URL. After that you have to just say unzipper.php. It means where you uploaded file. What is this? This is the file that you are uploaded into same directory in this. After that you have to select your zip file. This is my mtdf zip file, this one, my project. After that you can choose another extraction path also. It is optional one, but I need to extract it in the same folder. Therefore I just say unzip. In here I had to say you very important thing, that is the zip file and this unzipper.php file should be in the same directory, same location. It means same location, not else your unzip should cannot be done. After a little bit time you can see the state file unzipped successfully. It means your mtdf zip files successfully unzipped. You can see here, this is the we can see in the filezilla also our file successfully unzipped. You have to just refresh your server, click once again www root file, check whether all these files are in the www root files. If your project files not in the www root but in the subfolder of www root folder, you have to move these files to the www root file. After that you have to delete this zip file by clicking right click and just delete it, because we don't use it further. Okay, now I try to access to my website which I uploaded by clicking the URL. Here if your server is not running, you can start in here. My server is now running, and click this one, login. Same thing, your app service is running, not located into my uploaded project. What's I have to remain in very small configuration. I can do it in here, settings section, application settings. Okay. If you use .NET framework, it means your web application have .NET framework. You have to initialize it. It means you have to say I am using .NET framework 4.7 is here. I'm not using, but I'm normally say .NET framework version is 4.7. After that my PHP version. Yes, this is my PHP version. I'm using PHP version 7.1 in my Laravel framework, therefore I selected 7.1. If you use any other version, you can select this. If you use PHP version, Java version, anything, you have to say here I'm using this. It's only after that
you have to debugging. Okay. Okay, in here virtual application directory, as the default you can see
your virtual application and directory is in the www root. It's mean when user coming to our website, our web application, user redirect to this path. Okay, we can show in my www root folder there is have HTML file. Where is this one? This is the showing as a default.
we have to navigate it into our public folder. It's mean Laravel website is starting with this public folder. Therefore, you have to just type it here /public. Okay, these things I think correct. I'm just save it by clicking here. Updating web app settings. Okay, I'm closing this one and I'm going to again my web application.
Okay, I restart my server by clicking here. After that, I'm open my URL. Slowly loading. Yes, this is not a server error. This is my project error. It's mean my Laravel project error. The error mean is not initialize my database. It's mean core exception error. This thrown because of database not initialized. Before I initialize the database, I have to plug phpmyadmin to this project. To do this, I have to use extension. It's mean phpmyadmin extension to this project. You can see in this section extension. You have to click here. Okay, after that it's loading that section. Loading. There is no any extension in here. You can see here message. After that I'm going to add an extension by clicking this plus sign, and we have two steps to add the extension. This is very user friendly actually, this Microsoft Azure dashboard. I'm searching phpmyadmin as extension. Yes, this one. I'm clicking it.
Then legal terms I have to accept. Okay. Here saying installing web app extension in process, so we have to wait for a while. Okay, yes, you can see here phpmyadmin version 4.73 is plugged to our web application. Now I have to go to this section, MySQL in app. Click this and I have to manage it, and click this manage button.
If you are getting this kind of error, I suppose you to wait for a while and refresh it. This is a I think this is a server side error. For until that I'm going to configure .env file in the Laravel project. You know, Laravel, in the Laravel project, the .env file is the configuration file for any connections. In here I'm going to change it as my Azure project. I can do this change with filezilla. To do this, I search .env file. You can see here I can find this .env file. Then I have to edit this. To do this, I am just right click on the .ini file and say view and edit. After that,
you can choose any custom program to open this file. Use custom program, browse. I am selecting Notepad++ and press OK. Open. Okay. Waiting button and okay, now it's open.
Okay, now I have to find database configuration information with Azure phpmyadmin, which are plugged into Azure web application. You have to go to this data file and MySQL file, as I'm doing. Select this file, MySQL configuration information are here. You have to open it by clicking OK. This is the information.
Local DB, data source, and all these things are here. After that, I am going to configure all these things. DB connector, MySQL, my host or database host is this host name, and port is not in here. It is changing with your application. I can show it in here. If I go into MySQL in app in here, manage, click manage, loading. If you this is my port. I have to copy this and paste it into here. Database name, database name local DB, and my user ID is this one, and my password is this one, and all these things are okay. Now you have to just save it by clicking here. Okay, if you use any other text editor, you have to just save it, and then you have to again come to this filezilla. It's giving a message, file has changed. You have to they ask us to you have to upload the file back to the server. I say yes. Okay, transferring finished. After that, I have to copy my local database to this database. My local database in here. This is my local database, not Azure database. I'm going to export it, clicking by here, export it. Template name, I not give template name. My database name is mtd in here. Click go. Okay, my database file downloaded. It is in my downloads folder. Now I have to just open it in any text editor. I edit it in Notepad++. This is my SQL file. I'm copy all this and going to my Azure database. Then I'm going to SQL column query and copy or paste all these as a query and click go. Yes, no error. If I click structure, you can see all my tables are okay. Now I am trying to again go to my URL.
Yes, our website is successfully loading. It means my Laravel project successfully hosted with Azure. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you have any question, comment me in the comment section. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.